I want to talk specifically about some of your analytic skills. Could you give me an example of a time when you had to use an analysis, derive some insights, and how that influenced some of the outcomes or recommendations?
I would like to tell you one example where I used my analytic review to solve a problem. That was a time when I was working with Kempinski Beijing to implement software to automate the cash management solution. For Beijing Kempinski, they typically have 5,000 USD cash in and out every day that we need to track correctly. Analytic review is extremely important for this implementation. The key challenge with this project was to get the credibility and the trust with the software. The analytic approach helped me to accomplish this goal. There are a few actions I take to accomplish this goal. First, I get a hold of the cash journal. The cash journal is a manual spreadsheet that have all those cash transactions recorded in the hotel. So you can see the column like verified cash, or the amount, or overshorts, foreign currency, etc. By examining the cash journal, I specifically focusing on the accuracy of the formula setup. Meanwhile, I also wanted to understand the logic of the setup so I can mimic that setup in the cash journal software and make it easier for our accounting staff to get used to. Once the software is set up correctly, then we start run the parallel testing. Finally, we will do variance analysis to make sure there's any discrepancy for the software. In this particular case, working with Kempinski Beijing, I encountered $20 difference. I then took their manual spreadsheet, run with software side by side, run with each transaction one by another. I soon realized there is a mistake entered by accounting staff manually. Because this realization, accounting team gained full trust to this software, and as a result, we're able to move the software 100% and get rid of the manual spreadsheet.